What's going on, guys? I don't know what my hair is doing, but I kind of like it. Just kidding, I can't see my hair. I just know what it looks like from before when I put the product in there. Some of you guys are like, when did Jordan get a flip screen camera? I didn't. Bo's here. We're going to do some cooking. What are we making, Bo? You can tell him.
I don't want to tell him right now. Should I tell him right now?
I don't know. Well, it has to do with chicken and garlic. Oh, I got the breadsticks in the freezer.
Nice!
But we're actually going to be, should I tell him? Or should I wait till after? We have a surprise for you all at the end of the video. We're going to announce it. So watch till then. You don't want to miss this. Alright, we are getting set up. And pretty excited about it.
I was just discussing how I always have my hat on and my hair pulled back so it looks like I'm bald here and have all kinds of crazy hair here.
Yep.
And now you know.
What did you just say?
You don't need a you don't need a lot of seasoning when you're doing stuff like this, but sometimes.
What you cooking there, Bo?
I am making chicken for right now.
Well, I mean, to follow through and not let down the viewers watching, you have to do what the title said.
What? What'd you do what's the title?
It's a cooking challenge. So what you have to do is you have to have one hand, like, not tied behind your back.
Can I put it in my pocket?
Nope.
It has to be actually tied?
It has to be tied, like hog tied.
Like I can't.
Nope.
This is
alright, so.
Okay, so this is not.
This is the thing that we have going on for this video that we're doing. Oh my gosh, I am so hungry.
Keep it
So
calm.
hungry.
Well, we'd already be eating maybe if you wouldn't make me tie my hand behind my back.
Yeah, but that's just funny. Well, oh, it's weird being up when the sun's up. I don't want to crash out right after Bo does, and the sun's not even out yet. I am on my way to a job interview, and you guys are going to crack up when you see where this interview's at. After that, it's nice, sunny, 60, 65 degrees. I think I might try to go out and do a little bit of herping for you guys, but I don't know. We'll check out a couple of spots. I think I might know some spots on the way to where I'm going, but we might do some exploring. We'll see. Alright guys, you ready for this? Not sure if you can see that sign up there, but yep, that says Texas Roadhouse. Yeah, I got an interview. I just can't get away from this place, no matter how far I go. And just like that, got a follow-up interview tomorrow at the same time, which I know how Roadhouse works. I got the job. That didn't take long. Now I just need to look up some little places I could possibly go herping. I know, Rob, you said I'm around a bunch of wildlife management areas, and honestly did not know that. I just knew I had a lot of woods, which this is horrible. This is Knoxville. This is not. Still woody, but I'm gonna shut up and just look for places to go find snakes. Alright, well, I am at James something, L. James Limbs. What does this say? L. James, I. James Nature Center. It's a wildlife sanctuary and environment. Which, I guess we'll just start walking. I've never been here before. I almost died like 5 times thanks to my GPS taking me all around Knoxville. I didn't think I'd be exploring Knoxville the whole time. Well, it's not a herp, but I found a bird. Apparently, her name is Zoe. A turkey vulture. Nice. What, really? That's as close as I can get to this, really, is a thing. Why are you looking like you're about to attack something? Don't attack me. You're cool looking, though. We have tiger. A tiger is a female red-tailed hawk. No way. Red-tailed hawks are amazing. Oh my gosh, I love them so much. Good Lord, she is a beaut. She is a beaut. But I see a trail over this way, so as much fun as it is to see things that are in cages, I came here to see things that are not in cages. So that's what we're gonna do. Alright. Looks like we got some trails. Checked in and ready. Go this way. So I was supposed to check in. Let's go. Let's go. Quick, before they notice. That's my kind of style right there. Alright. Off the trail kind of stuff. I like it. Ah, I'm already out of breath. I was not ready for this. Well, as soon as I got here, I did realize that this is a great spot. I'm gonna mark that in the books, but I gotta head back because as much as I don't want to, I'd much rather not have to deal with Knoxville rush hour traffic because people in Tennessee can't drive worth crap. You guys know it's right. So in Tennessee, you know what I'm talking about. So, remember this spot. And we'll come back to it at a later date. This is for my own, so I remember what this place is. At a nature center. Sweet. Awesome. Alright. Well, let's go deal with Knoxville traffic. Bo's gonna go to work, but as promised, the big announcement. Bo, you wanna tell him? What is it? What is it? I don't even know.
You do know. So I have a new channel.
Oh, Bo joined the YouTube club.
Maybe today or tomorrow's vlog. I'm not real sure how it's gonna go, but the link will be in that description.
Yup.
So check it out. Watch it all the way through.
What's the name of the channel?
The name of the channel is gonna be Life with Bo.
Oh, boy.
But we're gonna have cooking segments, possibly every Tuesday?
I don't know.
Today?
We'll figure it out.
Is today Tuesday? Wednesday and Friday. Every Wednesday and Friday, possibly. Maybe we'll change it. I don't know. It's new.
It's new. We're just figuring it out.
I've never done anything like this.
Nope.
So.
Nope. But yeah, so I'm gonna doze off for a little bit while he goes to work, and then my plan is to get on that computer, edit that video, get that channel made, and all that other stuff. I still gotta figure out how to get that banner. Go ahead and give this video a like for Bo as well, jumping onto the YouTube team. And I reckon we'll see you guys tomorrow. And yeah, anything to say?
That's it. Au revoir.